Aviation production and maintenance is a complex set of operations requiring highly skilled workforce and high working capital. In this challenging and competitive business landscape, OEMs, airline operators, and MROs strive to improve working capital and shortening of the operating cycle in order to enhance revenue and profitability. TrackIT has worked extensively with aviation industry veterans and champions and has built a productivity enhancement and execution platform. EnTrackMRO covering maintenance, EnTrackProd covering production, designed with cost out and profit in as its mainstay. The EnTrack platform works seamlessly with any existing ERP or maintenance and engineering system that customer already has in place. It addresses key challenges around work-in-progress management, process bottlenecks, cost of poor quality, supply chain losses, lost parts, overstocked stores, unmet internal and external SLAs and KPIs by embedding technologies like ultra-wideband Bluetooth Low Energy, RFID, barcode, Internet of Things, and virtual reality. EnTrack modular platform deployed on cloud or on-premise allows you to choose the modules based on your digital transformation and working capital optimization outlook. Work-in-progress management, stores automation, tools tracking and management, shop and supplier KPI management. Manage internal and external workflows, virtual reality modules for trainee and the trainer, safety equipment on board, rotables, inventory and assets tracking. Artificial intelligence and machine learning-based optimization and business intelligence dashboards. EnTrack single pane of glass view delivers measurable productivity parameters, so you can see the improvements and throughput you generate. Human resource loading and utilization, work order and task execution in real time, internal and external supply chain delays and vendor performance. Process bottleneck identification for turnaround time delay contributors. Stores optimization for easing the working capital. Integrated view of work in progress with schedule and task views. Real-time location-based tracking of assets, tools, and resources. EnTrack platform complements your existing traditional production and maintenance systems and delivers tremendous value and return on investment, and leads to improved working capital and shortening of the operating cycle. TrackIT has won trust over 200+ enterprise customers with digital transformation solutions deployed across continents with definite productivity improvements from operations. We have your best interest in mind to keep you ahead of the curve.